this is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel. And today, I'm just bringing y'all along because I think this is going to be a lot of laughs. Well, maybe not. It might be kind of, I don't know what's going to happen. But I'm going to cut up a pineapple. And I'm 63 years old and I've never cut up one in my life. But I'm going to try this. I've watched enough videos on YouTube to try to do this. I mean, to me, all my life, it's just been easier to get a can of pineapples. I used the pineapple rings. I just got some crushed pineapple. I'm going to use that for a recipe. But I just wanted to try to do this. I don't know why. I mean, all right, we're going to try this. All right, from what I've seen, I'm going to cut off this top right here. All right. Oh, here we go. Yay, I did it. I cut off the top of a pineapple. Yay. I have never done anything like this before. All right, now I think I'm supposed to cut off the bottom. All right, let me throw this little thing away. All right, so that's in the trash. Now I think you cut off the bottom. All right. Yay, got the bottom cut off. Now, I saw somebody do it like this. They cut it in half like this. Oh. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm going to get to eat my fresh pineapple that I cut. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we go down like that. And I know we got to get these little things right here off. All right, we're just going to keep on going around and getting this stuff off. And why is it crooked? Why is that there? Does that mean that it's no good? Did I wait too long? I don't know. We're going to see here. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I just don't know. Well, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm giving it a try. All right. Oh, y'all can, I don't even have it down to where y'all can see. All right. Look, y'all, I've almost cut up part of my pineapple. I'm so excited. And I don't know. All right. You're not supposed to want any of those little black mark things on there. So, all right. So now I'm going to cut it like this. All right, we're going to taste the piece. Oh my gosh. All right, I got to give Loretta a piece. Loretta's never done it either. Oh my gosh.
That's better than a can.
Oh my gosh, it is so good.
Oh my gosh.
All right, now I just had a hard piece in my mouth. I don't know what was hard.
Oh my gosh.
Am I not cutting the sides off? Did I not cut it off enough? It really hasn't been that hard, y'all. And I'm probably supposed to cut up bigger pieces than that.
Oh my gosh.
That is good and juicy and Why did I? It doesn't seem like you get very much pineapple, but this might be. I'm going to taste this. Well, I don't know what the hard parts were that I got in my mouth, but oh my gosh, that is good. Now it makes me want to fix something with pineapple, but I don't know what. Can y'all see? Yep. 63 years old. I'm really glad I made a video of this, because here I am, 63 years old, and never cut up a pineapple before, and that's what it is. It's hard on the sides, so I must not be getting down very much into it. I thought it was just supposed to be down to where there wasn't any of those these marks right here. I thought it wasn't supposed to be any of those, but evidently, I don't know, maybe I waited too long to cut this pineapple up, and that's why it's like that, because this is like the third pineapple that I've bought in my life, and the other two I just let sit because I felt so intimidated by them, and I let them sit until they weren't any good anymore. And this one, I just kept telling myself, no, Debbie, you can't do that. You got to cut this pineapple up. You just got to do it. And here I am doing it. All right, now let me see if this one, all right. I'm going to take a bite of this right here and see if it's that, right there's really hard. I guess I did probably let this one sit too long. But at least can say that I've cut up my own pineapple now. I don't know. To me, it's just way easier to buy it out of the can. But you know, when I go to people's houses and they have like a fruit salad in the summertime or something like that, and they've got pineapple in it, it's always so good. But I always feel intimidated. That's not... Now that I done ate half the pineapple. It really doesn't seem to give you very much. Maybe I was expecting too much. I don't know. But I'll show you how much it gave me. Now, this is the scraps, I reckon. That's all that the pineapple that I cut off, and here is what's left. And of course, I've had about 5 pieces of it. Loretta, you another one?
Yeah, it's like the bomb.
All right, Loretta says this is the bomb. Wow, Debbie cut up the bomb. Pineapple. Loretta's never cut up one. I've never cut up one. But I did it. I did it my way. All right, y'all. I said to bring you along and show you, let you watch as this 63-year-old woman cut up her first pineapple. I hope you enjoyed this. All right, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also the links that of different things that you can purchase at Amazon that I use in my kitchen. And I hope you have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.